Welcome to our video showcasing extreme and dangerous oversized transportation operations. Watch in as we demonstrate the impressive size and strength of the trucks that carry these loads, along with the accurate calculation required for their transport. However, despite careful planning, these operations can still be highly risky, with the potential for disaster at every turn. So watch the video till the end as we take you on a thrilling journey through some of the most epic and dangerous oversized transportation operations ever caught on camera. Lowboy Trailers are the unsung heroes of the heavy equipment transport industry. They are built tough to handle the toughest jobs, moving massive machinery like bulldozers, cranes, and drilling rigs with ease. Their low-slung design keeps things stable when the load is high, while various axle configurations let them handle anything that's thrown their way. But it's not just the brute force of the Lowboy trailer that's impressive, it's the logistical know-how required to move these behemoths from point A to point B, from navigating tight turns on winding roads to crossing bridges and dealing with unexpected obstacles. Transporting oversized loads on a Lowboy trailer takes skill, precision, and a whole lot of nerve. Despite the challenges, Lowboy trailers remain an essential tool for heavy industry, relied on by construction crews, miners, and farmers alike. And with advancements in technology and design, these tough trailers are only getting better and more capable. So the next time you see a Lowboy trailer hauling a huge piece of machinery down the highway, take a moment to appreciate the engineering marvel that's making it all possible. Introducing a website that unlocks access to an incredible selection of used and repossessed government cars, trucks, and SUVs, all available for purchase at up to 95% discounts. With over 4,000 government auction listings throughout the United States, this website is the perfect place to find your next vehicle. You'll have access to both live and online auctions, so you can participate in the way that suits you best. Why pay full price for your next car when you could save thousands of dollars by purchasing at a government auction? Don't miss out on this opportunity to get an amazing deal. Click the link in the attached comment to start browsing today. Volvo Trucks are equipped with advanced brake systems that are put to the test in extreme conditions. In one famous demonstration, a Volvo truck was able to come to a complete stop from a speed of 100 kilometers per hour in just 40 meters, the length of a basketball court. This impressive feat is due to Volvo's state-of-the-art braking technology, which includes features like electronic stability control, hill start assist, and advanced emergency braking systems. So the next time you see a Volvo truck on the road, you can rest assured that its brakes are more than up to the task of keeping you safe. Looks like this driver mixed up real life and GTA 5. Watch the video to the end. Next, I will show you the most impressive videos. Transporting wind turbine blades typically requires specialized vehicles, such as flatbed or lowboy trailers specifically designed for long, bulky loads. Some of the vehicles used to transport wind turbine blades include multi-axle trucks, extendable trailers, and blade trailers. These vehicles are engineered to carry the long and heavy blades in a safe and secure manner, often with the help of specialized clamps or cradles that hold the blade in place during transport. The transportation of wind turbine blades is a complex and challenging operation that requires careful planning and execution to ensure that the blades arrive at their destination safely and without damage. Transporting heavy equipment on lowboy trailers can sometimes result in incidents where the load gets stuck on bridges. These situations can be dangerous and costly, causing delays and potential damage to both the equipment and the bridge. Logging trucks and trailers are the workhorses of the timber industry, capable of hauling massive loads of logs over long distances. Equipped with powerful engines and sturdy frames, these vehicles are engineered to tackle the rugged terrain and challenging conditions of the forest. The logging trailer, in particular, is an impressive piece of machinery, often featuring specialized clamps or cradles that securely hold the logs in place during transport. Excavators are among the most versatile and powerful construction machines, capable of digging deep into the earth and lifting heavy loads. But did you know that they can also load themselves onto Lowboy Trailers for transportation? With the help of a hydraulic system and a skilled operator, excavators can be folded and compacted into a size that can fit onto a trailer bed. This allows for quick and efficient transportation of the excavator to its next job site. It's an impressive sight to see an excavator load itself onto a Lowboy trailer, demonstrating the machine's power and versatility in action. Oversize trucking is a complex and impressive feat of engineering that showcases the incredible size, scale, and strength of modern trucks. These behemoth vehicles are capable of transporting loads that often exceed standard weight and size limitations, ranging from large wind turbine blades to enormous pieces of machinery, construction equipment, and even entire buildings. One of the most impressive aspects of oversized trucking is the sheer size and power of the trucks that carry these massive loads. However, with great size and weight comes great danger. Accurate calculations and careful planning are essential to ensure the safe transport of these oversized loads, as the slightest miscalculation can result in catastrophic consequences. The support team responsible for these transport operations must carefully map out the route, considering everything from the width and height of the load to the condition of the roads and the clearance under bridges and power lines. The drivers of these oversized trucks are also highly skilled and experienced, requiring specialized training and licensing to operate such massive vehicles. They must be able to navigate through narrow roads and bridges, steep hills, and sharp turns, all while ensuring the load remains stable and secure. The slightest mistake could cause the load to shift, resulting in an accident or even a complete rollover. Despite the risks involved, oversized trucking remains an integral part of many industries, including construction, wind energy, and manufacturing. It's an impressive sight to see these giant trucks in action, defying the laws of physics and pushing the limits of what's possible in the transportation industry. It's a testament to the ingenuity, skill, and expertise of those involved in the process, from the truck drivers to the support team, that these oversized loads can be transported safely and efficiently. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Bye.